couple of these. Okay, so some of these sentences have mistakes with articles. Okay, so for example, number 1 says patient is having trouble breathing. So perhaps you know what the mistake is there and you can write it in the chat box. Can anyone tell me? It's not with you. You can just say to have trouble breathing. You don't have to say have trouble with breathing. Just say have trouble with, and then use ing. Okay, so Jezza is saying the patient. Nay Winton says trouble breathing. No, trouble is uncountable. So trouble, no article. So the patient is having trouble breathing. Lots of people are saying the patient, and a lot of people are saying with breathing. You have trouble with something, but often you don't need with. The patient is having trouble, and then the verb with ing. Okay. You could say I'm having trouble with plus a noun. So I'm having trouble with my car. I'm having trouble with this exercise, or with a noun. Yes. So see if you can do a couple more of those. So maybe numbers 2 and 3, something like that. Okay, good. So on number 2, a lot of people are saying the pain. Somebody said, oh no. So the pain, but we actually also need on the second visit. We know which visit. With the first, the second, the third, we always have the definite article, the second, the first, because there is only one second and first. So on the second visit, or you could say on her second visit, or on his second visit, the pain. Oh, sorry, on her, because the pain she had been experiencing was much worse. Okay. Number 3, what's wrong with number 3? Oh, some people have said swollen ankles. You can never have with a plural. Okay. You have 2 ankles. Means just one. Okay. So she is suffering from swollen ankles is actually correct. Yeah, so she is suffering from swollen ankles would be right. Okay. And what about number 4?